All right, so here's what I did with my Jeep Gladiator. Sorry about the landscapers in the background. So you take this panel off first, then you take this panel out. I use the, this is the AC panel, and I use these kind of trim sticks or whatever. It comes in a set of 5 I got on Amazon. So I used a few of them. I don't remember exactly which one. So then you undo the screw that's here, one screw. You undo that and separate the window unit. I have a brake controller, so that's what you see here. So I lost the ability to have my 12-volt plug. So that's why I'm doing this whole mod. And then, so I bought that other part, and so here it is. So there happens to be one floating gray connector back there that's hidden in the back, and you connect, it has this blue cap on it. This is a 2021 JT Gladiator. You hook it up to this and then of course hide the rest in there. But that one didn't have anything connected to it at all. I tested it before I did this whole thing and it worked fine. And then you feed this piece down into a hole right in there. It's a kind of a tight fit, and it ends up coming out right in here underneath this carpet. So I remove the carpet temporarily, pull out on this panel here. This one pulls out, or there's a clip right in there. Just pull it out with your hand from the bottom, just pull hard. And then you'll eventually feel, as you're feeding this thing, this deal, slowly down in there. And by the way, there's one left. So I think maybe for the future I can do like a double if I needed to do another one down there. Like if I want now a lighter, I'll buy another one of these setups. I didn't do any splicing today at all. I'll buy another one of these setups and then put that in there. Anyway, so I finished with the finished product down here. Pretty clean install. And it doesn't look factory, but you know, it fit well. You'll need one of these things to make the exact hole. I had to go all the way down in here, all the way down to the end, to get it to fit and snap in, and it's in there really snug. I saw somebody post a video that said they needed some like RTV sealant, but I don't need any sealant at all. It's not going anywhere. I mean, I had a hard time pushing it in, so it should be fine.